Health Organization predicts cancer cases will rise 70% in the next 20 years. News 4 medical expert Dr. Peter Ostro shows us what's behind this projected increase.
On the occasion of World Cancer Day, the World Health Organization released some projections that could be frightening. The number of cases will rise from 14 million in 2012 to 19 million in 2025 to 22 million in 2030 to 24 million in 2035. Wow! But you have to consider why those numbers will rise. We're not dying so much of other things.
Lifespan increased because we solved infectious diseases and other things that shorten lifespan. People live longer, and one of the accompaniments of living longer is getting more cancer.
Things people do to themselves play a major role in the development of cancer.
Many other countries, particularly in underdeveloped countries, are seeing a rise in tobacco use, and they haven't come to grips with that yet.
Many cancers are discovered by screening programs when they're still early and curable.
We have a lung cancer screening program. I do see patients that are picked up at very early stages in the program, and it's very effective. So with screening and potentially earlier detection, that percentage should continue to go up.
Cancer is not one disease, it's many. And modern research will give us an advantage over them one by one.
We will learn a lot more about the cause of cancers that we don't understand at all now, and that will lead us to better ways to prevent them.
And it doesn't mean there's a new epidemic coming on. Okay?
So not a new epidemic of cancer.
No, and in fact, we're doing very well against cancer. You know, there are vaccines that will prevent some cancers. You've seen. Go ahead.
I feel like there's a strain of thought going around the internet. You know, who knows what to make of this? Perhaps you will. That some people think that cancer could actually be contagious. Is there any merit to this?
No.
Okay.
You can't catch cancer from a person who has it. There are some viruses, such as papillomavirus, hepatitis virus, that can cause cancer, but we have vaccines to prevent that from happening. You can't catch cancer from another person who has it. That's a myth.
Okay. Very good. Thank you for your insight, Dr. Peter Ostro.